Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to manage your services or products section. By the end, you'll know how to edit existing items, add new ones, organize them with tags and categories, and control what appears on your live website. Your services or products section highlights what your business offers. It's where you can showcase your work, update details, and make sure your offerings stay current. First, let's locate your service or product section. In the left sidebar, go to Website, then Pages. Select the page that contains your services or products section. With B12's newest AI agent, you can make edits without manually clicking through settings. Click the AI agent tab in your editor toolbar to get started. Type your prompt to add a new service, like add a new service about our market entry strategy. The agent will automatically create a new item for you. Watch the right-hand side of the editor as it updates with your new content. To update existing content, use a prompt like, update the title to marketing strategy. In just a moment, the title will refresh. Personalize your content's appearance by typing, change the text alignment to left. The text will shift instantly, helping you adjust the look and feel without clicking around. To update visuals, try prompting, update photo. Click the clip icon, select your photo, then click the up arrow. Your photo will be updated with the new image. To delete an item, type, remove this item. Click the button that will appear on the left sidebar. The item will disappear instantly. This keeps your editing process fast and focused. You can also manually edit your products and services. Just switch to the Edit tab. Scroll to Collection. From here, you can rearrange or remove items you no longer offer. If you need to bring one back, click Add Existing Services to restore it. To add a new service or product, click Add a New Service. You can create it using AI Assist or add it manually. If you choose AI Assist, type your service name and details. Then click Show Business Details to provide additional context. These details are saved for future content generation, so you only need to update them if they change. Once you're ready, click Generate Service and AI Assist will create a draft for you. Review the content, make any edits, and update as needed. If you prefer to add your own content, go back to the Collection section. Click Add New Service, then add and edit manually. Enter your title and optional short description, which appears in section previews, and a full description, which displays on the dedicated page or pop-up. You can upload a featured image from your library or search for stock photos. You can also add price details or calls to action that help visitors learn more or take the next step. Keep in mind that not all layouts display every field. When you're done, click Add Item and your new item will appear on your page. To edit an existing collection item, click on it in the right-hand side of the editor. From here, you can use the gear icon to duplicate, remove, or delete an item. You can edit the title, short description, and update the image or price as needed. You can also organize your items by topic using tags. Tags are simple labels that group your content into categories, and you can add multiple tags to one item. In the Tags field, type a tag name, then press Enter or Return. The tag will now be linked to that item. When visitors click that tag on your site, only items with the same tag will appear. Repeat this process for each item you want to organize. You can also add categories and subcategories to create drop-down menus. To do this, go back to the Tags field. Type your category and subcategory in this format. Category, item, then press Enter. If no category is specified, the tag will default to General. After you've added your tags and categories, test them by clicking a tag or category name to make sure your items filter correctly on the live page. To delete a tag, open the item that contains it. Click the X next to the tag name. Once a tag has been removed from all items, it will no longer appear on the page. You can also edit the link text that displays on your website, like Read More or Learn More. Items have pages that are created automatically using templates. For more info on editing and customizing your template pages, check out our video on editing page templates linked in the description. You can also unlink the template if you don't want these pages. Once you're happy with your changes, click Publish in the top right corner. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.